All right, today, my brother, we're going to work on stall parking. How do you feel about being done with your license almost?
Pretty good.
Man, that's so exciting. Go ahead, put this thing in drive. I'm going to have you do some stall parking. I want you to pick a spot on the left. You want to go and get the car in between the lines. So take your time. Good. And let's cover the brake. Go up slow. Nice. Good. Yep. And straighten up wheels. Perfect. Okay, what I want you to do is put it in reverse, and then you're going to roll back and back straight back and turn your wheel to the left.
Okay.
So just go slow. Nice. Thank you for looking out your back window. Even though you do have a backup camera, you always want to look. Good job. Always look left and right. Nice. Come on back and squeeze that brake. Good. Go ahead, put it in drive, please. Good. Go straight all the way down, and then I'm going to have you park in the last spot on the left. So you want to get your car more to the right, and then you're going to make, yes, this last spot right here. Just go in slow. That's it. Squeeze that brake, go up, and good. And go ahead and stop. Good. All right, so I need you to put us in reverse. You're going to roll straight back, working on this maneuvers. Roll straight back and turn your wheel to the right. Good. Roll straight back. Give us a little bit of gas. Yeah, there you go. Come on back. Every car is a little bit different. You're doing so good. Keep going back. Now put this thing in drive. Perfect. Straighten up wheels. Go straight down. Nice. I want you to pick one of these parking spots on the left. You pick one. Get it in between the lines. Good. Squeeze your brake. Good. That's it. You're doing really good. Good. Straighten up wheels. Squeeze that brake. Roll forward. Nice. Put in park a second, and let's open our doors. You check your line. You don't have to take off seatbelt. Just check your line. I'll check mine. You in the lane?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. All right. Put us in reverse. Good. Roll straight back. Turn your wheel to the right. Back up small. Always back up small. A lot of beginners back up too wide and too fast. Good. Put us in drive now. Nice. Straighten up. Proceed. You're going to go all the way around to the left.
What'd you say?
Go all the way around. Go up and all the way around to the left. Everything is good. If I'm not clear, ask. A lot of instructors, you got to be clear. You got to support your student. And if you understand something, always ask. Right? Good. Good job. You want to stay to the right side because we're in North America. And I want you to pick a spot on the left. You pick your spot. Go in slow. Good. Oh, looks like we're going to be stars today. Good. Squeeze your brake. Good. That is better. Good. Okay, put us in reverse. Roll straight back. Turn your wheel to the left. Nice. It's okay. That's fine. Good. Stop us here. Go ahead, put us in drive. It's normal. Students mix up left and right. Go up and go all the way around to the right. Take your time. Low speed maneuvers. Be patient. What are some driver's ed questions you want to ask me that you always wanted to know? You got a question? Can you think of one?
No, not really. You answered all of them in class.
Okay, good. Keep going. And then I want you to pick a spot on the right. Pick one of these spots. Take your time. Good. Go in slow. You're getting better. Go ahead, pull through to this one. Straighten up. Turn back. Good. Nice. Okay. I need you to make a left turn out. Yep. Thank you for using your blinker. Nice job. Good. Straighten up. Pick a spot on the left. Take your time. Good. Oh, this turn's getting better. Squeeze your brake. Stop us right here. Good. I need you to reverse. Roll straight back and turn your wheel to the right. So go straight back first. Turn it to the right. Turn. Keep turning. And stop us right here. Squeeze that brake. That's a good backup. Now put it in drive. I want you to go straight down. Good. And then you're going to pick the last spot on the right, the last parking spot.
Okay.
Get your car square, get it center, turn your wheel a little earlier, and then you should be in. Go up more. Not yet. Go a little slow. Now turn. Nice. Good. Stop us right here. Good. Straighten up wheels. Okay. I want you to reverse out. Turn your wheel to the right. Turn. Nice. Always look around. Good. And stop right here. Perfect. Now put in drive. I'm making you work. You gotta, get ready for that maneuverability test. Go up and around to the right. Try to have the hands at 7 and 5, 10 and 2, 9 and 3. You want to have good positioning. Nice job. Good. And then get a little bit more to the left. And I want you to pick one of these spots on the right. Take your time. Oh yeah, good angle. Nice. And stop right here. Straighten up. Good. Okay, put this in reverse. Roll straight back. Turn the wheel to the left. Nice. Look behind you. Good job. Your backups are getting better. I like that. And stop right here. Put us in drive. Good. Proceed straight down. And then I'm going to have you go around to the left. Take your time. Always look where you want the car to go. Good. Don't overturn. Nice job. Good lane positioning. And I want you to pick a spot on the left. Pick a parking spot on your left. You pick one. Get the car in the line. Squeeze. Keep your foot on the brake. Nice. Now straighten up. Go up a little bit more. Now straighten up your wheels. Turn your wheel one full turn to the right. Nice job. I want you to pull straight through. Go ahead, pull through. And then I need you to go around to the right. Good. Thank you. Go ahead and turn. Nice. Get comfortable turning the steering wheel. Turn out slow. Pick the last spot on the right. Go slow, go up more, go up more. Now turn. Better. Yeah. Go up more and stop. Turn the wheel to the left. Roll forward. Perfect. That's good. All right, what I want you to do, I'm making you work. Put this in reverse. Roll straight back. Turn the wheel to the left. Yes, keep turning. That's it. Nice. You're going to be backing in them driveways. Nice. Stop us here. Put us in drive. Good. Go straight down. Stay in the middle right. Get a little bit more over to the right. Good job. I want you to park in 3 spots. You pick them. 3 more spots. And then this will get you prepared. Go in slow. Good. That's 1. You decide which way you want to turn the wheel. Nice. Always look around as you back. Nice job. Good. Nice backup. That's 1. Don't park by poles. Students always park by poles. Yeah. We saw what happened at the other location. A lady hit a stop sign, and it was the cement little connector. Good job. Oh yeah. That's 2. We got 1 more. Yep, your steering is getting so smooth. You're doing such a good job. Real easy on the gas. Good. Stop us here. Nice. Now put us in drive. Take your time. Good. You pick the spot, my brother. Yeah. Just go slow. You can go around. You can pick the nearest spot. Turn slow. Don't turn fast. Okay. Okay. Good. Go all the way up and stop. Nice job. Okay, put this in reverse. You're going to head to your office location, your home, right? You know how to get there? Yep. Okay. A lot of clients don't. You'll be surprised. Stop us right here. Handle your business. And then we'll just drive through the parking lot, and then we'll cut everything off. So look, check. Yep. I believe you can only go this way. Yeah. Nice. And this is a nice S-curve. And this is a good area to do tests, handle your business, scan. So what is this environment like during the school day?
It's not that bad. It's just like right after school, there's so many people that want to leave immediately.
Right.
That it's so jam-packed.
Right. See the stop sign complete for 3 seconds. Good job. Proceed.
Everybody wants to get out, and then there's the people that just wait till like 2:45, and then there's another wave of so many kids.
Exactly. So that 2 to 5 p.m. is the most dangerous because you have a lot of young drivers who are in a hurry to get out, go to work, go to practice, get home. So nice. Go in slow. Take your time. Nice job. Good. Be patient, brother. Nice. Oh, you have practice here?
Hmm?
You're going home.
Oh, you want me to go home?
Yeah, yeah. We're wrapping it up.